Well, howdy there all you folks, and here we are at Valla Beach, New South Wales, at the Volkswagen Spectacular. We made it, unbelievable, eh? Unfortunately, we had a little incident on the way here. I forgot to register the patrol. The big girl just cost me a fortune, and I don't know how I'm going to get home. I've got to get the thing inspected before I can get it re-registered. That's how it goes here in New South Wales. But no use crying over spilled milk. We're here to enjoy the show, and there is a lot to see. So I'm just going to flip you around. We're going to do a walkthrough and just have a look at some of the cars. And I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. There's B-dubs as far as the eye can see. All shapes, all sizes. I was there chatting and I realised I'd lost my wife in here somewhere, so she's probably out there looking at B-dubs too. Not exactly sure where. So this is the park up in Nambucca Heads. We just got here in time for this morning. It's got a stereo. Oh, it's clean. Golfs. Oh, that's ginger. Oh, it's fresh. So Al must be here somewhere. That's a nice pasty. Very, very clear and oval. That's the thing about the Humblebee Dub, she's all shapes and sizes. Don't mind that one. Nice lifted combi. She's running 33s on the back. On the back of that thing. So this one up at the Gold Coast show, which is pretty tidy. It just keeps going. Unbelievable. All the way up there. What a good turnout. There's a familiar car, there's Mike's car. Sorry mate. beauty. Lots of buses, lots and lots and lots of buses. I'm shocked how many buses there are. Ooh. Notch. Ooh, that's clean. Actually don't mind that. Windowless. You wouldn't want to drive it in the rain, but remember this one from last time too. Highly recognisable by the Texas bullet holes. Very cool car. I seem to remember last time those wheels were on that car. Same as what's, well, mine are a copy, but same as what's on the Rat Trap at the moment. This thing here is pretty impressive. Very simple interior, even has a back seat in it still. I really like them wheels. And she's fuel injected that baby. Yeah, that's a top 10 right there. Gotta be on bags. Tell me what you see. I can't see nothing. It's too low. Oh, he's running the same seats I run. See? They fit perfect in a Volkswagen. Nice tuck.
Oh, that's a good question.
No, all good. A few less people in front of it this time. She's a cool car. We do love a bit of glitter. Can you even see it? I'm a fan. I better film some of my own car. I'll just go past this beautiful oval here. We'll just ignore that because, you know, that's definitely not up to my standards. And then we need to have a quick look at this thing here. This thing is wild. There's a whole build sheet there. Well, what a great morning it's been so far. We've seen hundreds of Volkswagens, more V-dubs than I've ever seen in one place. That was pretty spectacular. I guess that's why they call it the Volkswagen Spectacular. And here we are, the big girl, even though, I don't know if I think I let it down this time. It didn't let me down. I let it down. Let's just be realistic here. It's unregistered. Anyway, it's here. There's the Baja in the back, and we're here. I can think of, you know, way worse places to be stuck. We could be broken down on the side of the road, but we're not. We're here at beautiful Nambucca Heads. You know, this is in the background. And got a lot of Volkswagen stuff to do today. So anyway, we're set up. We've got the camp set up. We might just chill for a bit and then head back over to the to Valla Beach Park where all the V-dubs are.